So in this video, we are going to talk about intersections. The last part of speech we are going to cover. Now, what are intersections? When suddenly something happens, we use intersections. Like expression, it is like interjecting your emotion in a single word. Like an injection, what does an injection do? It is just slight kind of work which does wonders. Similarly, interjection delivers your emotion in just one word. Now I would tell some of the examples of it. Like when somebody wants to take attention, they would use ahem. That is the ahem interjection. This is used for taking somebody's attention. Now, when these are used, generally intersections are followed by exclamation mark. 90% of the time they are followed by the exclamation mark. Now, let me take more of the examples one by one. The other one is boo. When we don't agree with somebody, we do boo intersection. We use this one. Just it delivers our emotion that we are not agreeing with somebody. All right. The third one is E. When you don't like something, it is very disgusting in nature. So you use E or E. Or maybe say the fourth one I would talk about is ew. Generally, girls use it ew when it is very disgusting in nature. Sometimes as is used randomly. So these are the two ones. Then the fifth one is hmm. Nowadays, this is more often used on WhatsApp, on various conversation you do. So, is thinking about something, what you want to convey, or you are being little like thoughtful at that time. You use Then we talk about the sixth one, that is generally the Christian countries, international countries are Christian in this. So they use G's, the short form of Jesus, or in India we use oh God. So this is when you have heard something very amazed thing. So oh God, or maybe you don't agree it or you don't like it. So that's when you use this kind of emotion, G's, oh God. Then there is ooh la la. When you like something, generally girls use it, but it is not gender wise emotion. Anybody can use it. So when you like it, you say ooh la la. All right. So next comes is eighth one, that is oops. When you did something wrong or it was not supposed to happen very nicely. So oops, we use it this way. All right. And then we talk about phew. When you did something and you're tired or you're relieved of it, you did some big work and you're like, phew, phew. So phew is used this way. All right. Tenth is whoa. When we like something, we say, whoa, it's amazing. So, whoa, amazement is explained with one word. So, these all are emotions we are talking about. Yahoo. So, Yahoo is when you really cherishing and enjoying it. So, you say Yahoo. Very exciting. All right. Then we talk about yeah. Yeah is the agreement. You are agreeing with somebody. So, you use yeah. It shows the approval from your end or affirmation from your end. Yeah. All right. Then we come to the 13th one, that is yoo-hoo. So when you are excited, you use yahoo when you're alone. But when you use yoo-hoo, you're wanting to take somebody's attention as well, that you're very excited. So you say yoo-hoo. All right. So this is now next is the 14th, last but not the least, that is zing. When somebody was silent for some time and suddenly they put a statement that is very funny in nature or comedy in nature. So you say zing. So zing is like sudden comeback. You are telling zing is like sudden comeback. So these are the 14 expressions I have told you for all the good things that you should use in your sentences more often. This way, we come to the conclusion of parts of speech and we would talk about certain more additional basics in one or two videos, and then we would move to module 2. Thank you.